Today I'm going to show you how to light your charcoal grill using a chimney starter. Now, a chimney starter is pretty much like a cylinder that has like two compartments. The top compartment where the coal goes in and the bottom compartment where you light your charcoal. First things first, let's head to Walmart and get ourselves some charcoal. I prefer using charcoal briquettes because they are consistent in size, they light consistently, and I also like lamp charcoal. But the issue with lamp charcoal is they're not consistent in size, but they burn hot and fast, which you can use if that's your thing. In this case, I'm using a wire brush to just move the old charcoal from my last cook. The thing about ash is that ash is kind of acidic. It's actually acidic, not kind of. And the issue with that is if you leave it on your grill, it'll make your grill rust. Here I'm using the two-zone method, which is also known as indirect grilling. I love this method because you have more control. You have more control when you're grilling. You can sear the meat on the side that has the coals and then move it to the other side. Okay, let's light our chimney starter. When it comes to lighting your starter, you can use tumbleweeds. Don't use lighter fluid. And you can use what I'm using, just paper and a little oil, and then just light it. Light it up. And there you go. Chimney starters typically take around 10 to 15 minutes to light. First, it'll get smoky, super smoky, and then you'll know when you're ready when the edges of your charcoal are kind of white like this. At this point, just grab some gloves or mittens and gently pour the ash into the bottom of your grill. Put the top grate on and then place your chimney starter at a place that's far away from yourself or your kids. Last thing you want to do is just touch it or walk over it. Using a wire brush, clean the grate. Speaking of safety, make sure that you don't grill barefoot or with sandals because you don't want to get burnt. And then open the vents so that there can be proper airflow. Give it 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and at this point, your charcoal is set and ready to go. I hope you like this video, and I hope I've given you enough information that'll set you up for success during your next cook. If you want to know how to grill chicken on a grill, watch this next video.